Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chougule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA First Optional English. Name of the paper is Modern Indian Writing in English for the semester 2nd. Let us know the poem When My Play Was With Thee, written by Rabindranath Tagore. He reshaped Bengali literature and music, as well as Indian art with modernism in the late 19th and early 20th century. Author of Gitanjali and its profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse, he became the first non-European to win Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. In translation, his poetry was viewed as spiritual. His elegant prose and imagery and magical poetry remained largely unknown outside Bengal. Sometimes referred as the Bard of Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore introduced new prose and verse forms and the use of colloquial language into Bengali literature, thereby freeing it from traditional models based on classical Sanskrit. He was highly influential in introducing the best of Indian culture to the West and vice versa, and he is generally regarded as the outstanding creative artist of the modern Indian subcontinent. Rabindranath Tagore wrote poetry as an 8 years old. At the age of 16, he released his first substantial poems under the pseudonym Bhanusina, which were seized upon by literary authorities as long-lost classics. By 1877, he graduated to his first short stories and dramas published under his real name. As a humanist, universalist, internationalist, and ardent anti-nationalist, he denounced the British Raj and advocated independence from Britain. As an exponent of the Bengal Renaissance, he advanced a vast canon that comprised paintings, sketches and doodles, hundreds of texts and some 2,000 songs. His legacy endures also in the institution he founded, Vishwa Bharati University. Let us know the central idea of the poem, When My Play Was With Thee. The poem is written from the point of view of a child. As long as the speaker was a child, life was carefree and lively and without any fears. God himself was the guide in all activities from morning to night. There was nothing but animal joy in simple activities like running. God sang songs for the child, although the meaning of those songs were not understood. Even then, the child's heart danced to the rhythm of these songs. Life was only play. Now that playtime is over and the child has grown up, everything of the old world of the innocent joys is changed and over. There is a sense of fear, even the presence of the stars in the sky. Like most of Tagore's translations of his poems by himself, the present poem is also in the form of free speech. It is not written in any specific metrical form, nor does it follow any set rhyme scheme or stanza pattern. It is a speech and invocation of a mind confused and awed by the process of growth which is unavoidable. It is the growth of the child to adulthood when the total world few changes. Wordsworth rightly has said in the poem, "Heaven lies about us in our infancy." The days of childhood are the days of unmixed happiness. The transition is from innocence to experience. Loss of childhood is a loss of experience. It is a painful loss and transition. It is like a child suddenly missing the presence of his parent, father, mother around. Tagore is suggesting a very close relationship between God and man. It is like the one between mother and child. It will be very useful to read Dylan Thomas's celebrated poem with the same theme, namely Fern Hill. Similarly, William Wordsworth's poem Ode on the Intimations of Immortality and Tintern Abbey should also be discussed side by side. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.